Okay, so I didn't bring the pole because I forgot. And I've just been running with it on my head. But I decided today we were going to ride the Matriarch in the red jacket and just, if we fall, we fall, and just push to the edge of that toe side, like push to the limits of that toe side. And if we boot out, we boot out. And I've had a lot of fun. I've had so much fun. So I think I'm going to keep the board. I think it's coming off sale. I still don't think, can't do that. Still don't think it is the correct board to do level 3 on, but I do think it's a board that's going to make me better. And it's hella fun. I don't think I've ever felt that locked in coming down carving, which was a very, very cool feeling. And even just being able to like pressure the board, get it going back up the hill, do everything I want to do, try and get my right knee to touch the floor without my toe touching the floor. So I'm like cranking that edge just to really see how far I can go. And I haven't booted out, so I think the most important bit of my day now is going to be when I put my right foot in, just making sure it is as far back as it can go. Part of me wants to go to 21.6, but I think we're just going to accept what we have. We're going to go 21.9, just ride it, and yeah, it's good. So I am not going to be selling the Matriarch.